Now today's video, I'm going to break down a song for you guys. And that is Give Me Some Sunshine from the movie 3 Idiots. For you to play with the rhythm, you can use acoustic rock. Okay, if you have a Yamaha keyboard, you can use acoustic rock. Hey guys, hope you all are doing really well. My name is Lionel and I am the keyboard and piano teacher at Music Pandit, the best place to learn music online. Now today's video is a very important video for me. Why? Because I'm going to break down a song for you guys. And that is Give Me Some Sunshine from the movie 3 Idiots. So before I start this video, I have a very important announcement to make. And that is, we upload videos every week. Let it be a tips and trick video, a song breakdown, or a very important lesson video. So make sure you press that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on very important videos what we upload in this channel. Now keeping that out of the way, let me get to the main topic. I'm going to display this song for you first, and then I will break it down into parts. So let's begin. I hope you guys like that song. There is a reason why I have selected this song. One thing, it is very easy to play and the chords are super simple. But I have a small disclaimer. That is, I will be explaining it to you in a little faster way. Okay? Because I have a detailed video of this song explanation on Music Pandit. So make sure you subscribe to Music Pandit so that you can access all these lessons and learn this song step by step. Okay? So, I have divided this song in 3 parts. That is verse, and then you have pre-chorus, and then chorus. So first, I'm going to play the verse part. Okay? And you guys have to remember that this song, I'm playing it in G major scale, which is a 1 sharp scale. Okay? So, F is a sharp here. And what you have to do is, while you're playing chords for this song, you have to use inversions. Don't jump all over the keyboard. Why? Because one thing, it slows down your speed. So make sure you use inversions. So I'll play the right hand first. Slowly, just follow it. You can start from any octave, but I will start from the 3rd octave. It starts like this. Okay, now I'll play it slowly. I'll just tell you the notes. So the notes are very simple. You have to play B, 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 G, A, G, A, B, 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 G, A, B, 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 G, A, G, F, E, G, G, E, A, G, A. Okay? After that, you have chords in the left hand. The chords in the left hand are simple. So first you're going to play G, and then D, then back to G again, and then D, then G, then D, then you have C major, and then D. Okay? So G, I'm playing this way. D, I'm just going to shift these 2 notes on top. That becomes D. And for C, I'm going to play the major position. And then back to inverted G. Okay, so the chords, what you need to follow in this first part is just G, C, and D. Those are the main chords in G major scale. So, with the right hand, with the left hand, it will sound like this. I'll play it slowly for you guys. That's it. Super simple, right? The right hand melody, the left hand chords, very easy. Now let's go to the next part, that is the pre-chorus part. So pre-chorus part starts with the D note. I'll play it again. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So that part is very high. So I'm just trying to hum it while I'm playing it. Why? Because you guys will connect more if I hum that part and play it. Okay? Listen to it very carefully. So that will be your right hand. Now the left hand. Now you have A minor, D. Okay, I'll play it with the chords. The chords are again very simple, G, C and D, but you have one A minor in between, which I will be playing this way. Okay, so you're playing C, right? Just move your thumb one step forward to A, and that will be your A minor. Okay? So let me play with the melody. It goes like this. C, back to G, back to G, A minor. That's it. Then your pre-chorus part is done. Now let's go to the chorus part. Chorus part goes really high, so na 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 na. So these notes are repeated twice. Okay, so I'll play it slowly. B B B B A G A B B G A B B B B A G G F E G G E A G A. So when I say F, I mean F sharp. Why? Because this is a G major scale and F is a sharp here. So don't play natural, it will sound wrong. I'll play it again. B B B B A G A B B G A B B B B A G G F E G G E A G A. I'll play it with the chords. The chords are super simple. You have most of the time shifting between G, D, G, D. Okay? Let me play it. One more time. Second part. That's it. Your song is done. Okay? For you to play with the rhythm, you can use acoustic rock. Okay, if you have a Yamaha keyboard, you can use acoustic rock. And the tempo you can select is 90. If you want, you can start with slower tempo, somewhere around 70, then go up to 80, and then you can play with 90. If you have a Casio keyboard or something, you can use pop rock beat, and you have to see the tempo. In different rhythms, the tempo might vary, but it should work most of the time. If you select 90 BPM, it will be 90. Okay? So, in most of the beginner keyboard, you have two fill-ins. That is fill-in A and fill-in B. What you can do is, when you're playing verse and pre-chorus, you can use fill in A. Okay, because the music, the weight of the music will be a little lighter. Okay, now when I mean weight, it doesn't mean the weight. Okay, really, literally weight. It is the density of the music. It's very less. Either it will be just drum, bass, etc. So during chorus, what you can do is you can press fill in B, so that the music, the intensity of the instruments is a little louder and it is more dense. So one thing, it will sound fuller and nicer. So you have difference between your verse and pre-chorus and then chorus. Okay? So like that, you can make your playing really sound beautiful. So another thing, what you have to keep in mind is, I'm telling you again, I'm going a little faster while I explain this song. But if you want a detailed video of this song, it is there on Music Pandit, where I have explained note by note and counting the rhythm bar by bar. So all the explanations are there. And the best part is, so you have practice routines for different exercises, different techniques and rhythms as well. So why don't you guys go to Music Pandit and check out my lessons? They are really great. And there are other courses as well if you're interested in vocals, if you're interested in guitar playing, and a lot of other things are there. So please go check out Music Pandit. There are a lot of interesting things for a musician to feel. So now I'll play part by part with the rhythm so that you understand really well. For this example, I'm going to use acoustic rock, tempo 90. Fill in. Chorus. Fill in. And end part, instead of just playing a note, you can hold a chord there itself, where it will sound beautiful, because you are lifting your hand from your left hand, so you are not able to play the last chord. Okay, so you can do all those kind of things. So I hope you like this song, and if you want the notation sheet or anything to follow, everything is available on Music Pandit. Okay, please subscribe to Music Pandit. You have lot more songs there, lot more techniques and lot more hand coordination exercises, warm-up exercises, and lot of other things where you can get your piano or keyboard playing skills to the next level. So best of luck in playing this song. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked this video, make sure you hit that like button, press that subscribe button and hit that bell icon, because lot of things we are going to upload in this channel and I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So keeping that in mind, make sure you subscribe to Music Pandit, because I have piano courses as well as keyboard courses. So this is Lionel, your piano and keyboard teacher, signing off. See you.